Naked Leader Week 1026. 3 persuasion techniques with massive impacts. Each of these were used in UK referendums and can be applied anywhere. 1. 2011. To replace first-past-the-post voting with an alternative vote system. The latter was winning the argument in many polls until the campaign to keep the existing system played on people's value of fairness. They said, with the alternative system being proposed, the candidate that gets the most votes may not actually be elected. We don't think that's fair. Do you? How to apply. Ideas that appeal to people's sense of fair play win the argument. 2. 2014. For Scotland to become an independent nation. The Scottish Nationalist campaign took a serious dent thanks to one simple, genius, moment-defining answer on a television panel. Some organisations were threatening to pull their head offices out of Scotland if it became independent. A pro-nationalist asked, aggressively, pro-union MP Douglas Alexander, if it was really that important to have companies' headquarters in Scotland. Douglas's response was calm and polite. Well, don't take my opinion on this. Let me quote Nicola Sturgeon. He then quoted word for word how Nicola had said it was essential these companies keep their main offices in Scotland. The look of embarrassment and fury on the questioner's face was a picture to behold. How to apply. When asked a tricky question, rather than giving your own opinion, answer by quoting someone who the questioner agrees with. Slam dunk. 3. 2016. For the UK to leave the European Union. The Leave campaign was always up against it, most political parties with far more people, money and influence, for starters. However, the Leave campaign had one ace card, Dominic Cummings. Whatever you may think of the man, he cut through the political, economic and complicated arguments with one phrase, repeated over and over. Take back control. How to apply. Keep the main message always the main message. With thanks to Professor John Curtis of the University of Strathclyde for his insights, and my love and best wishes to you all, David.